Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Ever feel like you're living in a sci-fi movie with all this AI talk? The world of AI is going absolutely crazy. You can do this, and yes, in today's video we will go through 10 awesome AI tools just like this that will make you feel like you got Jarvis from Iron Man in your pocket. We will also cover this tool by which how I have created myself into this amazing character. I'm sure you guys will love it. If you're lazy like me, you will love this first tool where you will be assisted by Google in helping you construct all your communication. The first tool we'll check out is using AI to write emails, and this tool is absolutely free and it's provided by Google. I'll leave the link of the tool in the description box below. You can just come here and click on submit to sign up for the tool, and soon you'll have access to the tool. Once you sign up into the tool and you log into your inbox, you can click on compose, and then you'll see this pen tool here. Just click on this and you'll see this help me write. Just click on this, and here you can write the subject in which you want AI to help you with writing an email. So I will write, a long weekend is coming up. I need to apply for an additional day off. Please write a request letter of leave to my boss to make it sound convincing. And then I'll click on create. And here it is. Dear boss, I'm writing to request a day off to take advantage of the long weekend. I have been working hard on a project and I believe taking this day off will allow me to recharge and come back refreshed and ready to focus on my work. So this seems like a beautiful and a convincing email. If you're not happy with the output, you can also click on recreate, or you can refine the input by selecting one of these options. Now the other cool thing is you will notice this AI tool also appears in your Google Docs. So I come into my Google Word doc and once again I see this AI prompt. So I'll write, I want to write a joke book to distribute to children at my daughter's birthday party. Can you list out 10 amazing funny jokes? And I'll click on create. And just like that, this tool has given me 10 cool jokes. The next tool that we'll check out is for creating deep fakes or face swaps. Check this out. We'll use this website called reface.ai. And we'll use their unboring vertical for this. Once you come to the website, this is the interface you'll see. Just go down and click here on try on web. So once you come to the website of reface.ai/unboring/restyle, come here and click on restyle. Come here and click on swap faces. Then you'll see this interface. Just upload your video. I'll upload mine. Once my video is uploaded, I'll just come here and add the face with whom I wish to swap mine. I'll click on add face, then I'll select the image, the legendary Keanu Reeves, just for entertainment purposes for this video, and I'll click on swap faces, and this video will get processed. This is all for entertainment purposes. This is not Keanu Reeves. And these are some of the other results from this face swap website.
Now that you have learnt this, don't be naughty people. This is just for educational purposes. Let's check out the next tool.
The next tool that we'll check out is called Leapix AI. It's used for creating 3D animations just from images. Once you come to the website, this is the interface you'll see. Just come here and create your free account. And once your account is created, just come here and click on upload. Then just upload the image of your choice. I'll upload an image. And here, it's beautiful. If you come here on the left side, you have all these various options to edit the animation aspect as per what you like. You can just play around with this. Animation style, less, regular, more, animation length, number of seconds, the kind of animation, circle, tall, vertical, amount of motion. I can increase this so that I get more motion. Once again, I can come here and click on depth map and play around with these further nuances to further fine tune the animation. Yeah, this is pretty neat. Once you're done with what you like, just click on share and download the image. And these are some of the other results from Leapix AI. These images are absolutely amazing, aren't they? The next tool we will be checking out today is called VidRapid. It's a tool which is very easy to use and helps us summarize long YouTube videos. Just create your free account, then go to the YouTube platform. Just copy the link of the video you want to summarize, come here, just paste the link here and click on submit. And just like that, in a short while, this entire summary has been created by the site with necessary time codes. So you can go through these points quickly, and if you like anything in particular, come here and click this. So it will straight away take you to that particular moment in the video, and you can just watch that part if you like. Cool, isn't it? You also have the option of adding this website as a Chrome extension. The next tool that we'll check out is AI generated designer QR codes. The site is called qrcraft.xyz and this creates some really cool QR codes. So just come here to the website and come here and click on generate yours now. Then you'll see this first prompt box where you can describe what sort of artistic inspiration you want for your QR code. For instance, a painting of a Japanese house in snow with a sky background. Then here you'll just put in the link of your website, vary all these inputs as per your liking. And once you're done with all these, just come here and click on generate QR. And these are few of the results from this designer QR code website. The next tool we'll check out is absolutely amazing. It's an AI powered tool to create 3D worlds. It's called Blockade Labs. So once you come to the website, this is the cool interface you'll see. Once you create your free account, it gives you 15 free credits. Just come here and describe your world in the prompt box. So I'll just write high-tech cyberpunk city on mountains. And if you come here, you can select the style of the world you want. Anime, surreal, tech noir, cyberpunk. I'll just come here and click on generate. Wow, this absolutely blows my mind. Look at this cyberpunk 3D city created just from one line of prompt. I'm sure this will find a lot of use cases for the gaming world, for projects, or for creating 3D movies. And here are other 3D worlds created by this website. They are absolutely amazing and one can only imagine where these tools will take us in the near future. Ever tried searching for the perfect image and ended up scrolling seamlessly? Enter 123RF's AI tools, making your creative process feel like a walk in the park. So once we come to the website of 123rf.com, this is the lovely and inviting interface you'll see. So today we'll check out the AI image generation feature of this website. We have already done a detailed video on their AI powered search. I will link that video down in the description below. You can check it out. So once you come here, just create your free account and come here and click on create with AI image. Then you'll see this interface. This is the prompt box where you can write your prompt. And here down below are the various styles in which we can generate our images. 3D model, analog film, anime, cinematic, line art, fantasy art. Wow, this is quite a wide variety of styles available here. So I'll click on generate. Once you click on generate, their exhaustive licensing policy pops up. So one can just go through it so that they are clear of how they can use the images. And let's wait for the first photorealistic portrait of an astronaut floating in space. Out of the 4, they have given us 4 prompts. I think this one is pretty nice. Let's try another style for the same prompt. This time I'll try fantasy art and I'll click on generate. These are beautiful. I really like the depth of the images. Now let's try another prompt. This time let's select another style, maybe digital art, and I'll click on generate. I particularly like this one. This is beautiful. I like this one too. So one can very easily and without any doubt say that these images are of a very high quality. Now let's try the same prompt in another style. Let's try comic book and I'll click on generate. Just like this, I went about creating tons of images using their AI image generator. Their AI image generator is like your personal chef of image creation. Whip up exclusive visuals tailored for your projects. It's the feature other platforms are probably jealous of. Subscribe or use credits from 123RF and bam, unlock their magic word. 123RF strutting ahead, leading the stock image dance with these fancy AI moves. Let's check out some of the results here on the screen. I would also like to thank 123RF who have very kindly sponsored today's video, as they have everything from AI powered image searches to AI powered image generations, which can also be remixed. The next tool we'll check out is very similar to Kyber AI, and it's called Neural Frames. Once you come here, just create your free account. Once your account is created, this is the interface you'll see. Just come here and click on create videos from text now. Upload image or video. So either you can create it from text or use a picture. For now, I'll just use a picture. Once you've uploaded your picture, you'll see this interface. Just come here and write the description as per how you want the animation to be. Select these styles. And once you're done with all of this, just come here and click on render from cursor. Full AI powered website we'll check out is called Creator Kit. This website is an amazing AI powered tool to create amazing photo shoots for your products. So let's check it out. Once you come to the website, this is how the interface is. Come here and create your free account, and then we'll just go and try. So I'll click on new project. I'll just drop my image here. Product has been loaded here. I'll click on continue. Here it's giving me all these options to select preset styles, or I can also go and click on prompts to see the different styles of prompts one can put in here. For now, I'll just select one of the preset styles. So they have all these various amazing options here. Let's try one of these. I'll select this and click on generate. So this is a pretty funky option. If you're not happy with the result, you can just click here on render again. Let's try another variation. Paint and wood options. I'll click on this, click on generate. And here, look at these. These are pretty cool. And I can export the image in HD quality.
The next tool we'll check out is by Wonder Dynamics. It's the same tool that I used to create the animation shot in the introduction sequence. Once you come to the website, and it's pretty intuitive. And you can just come here and upload your video. Once you upload your video, you further drop it down into the timeline. And there is a prompt which comes up which will ask you to scan the actor in the video. Once you select that and the actor in the video is scanned, the website will take a few minutes to process it, and then you can just come here on the right side where it will prompt you to select from one of the preset characters which will replace the actor in the video you have uploaded. And once that is done, the website will take some time to render the video and it will replace the actor in the video with their preset character, after which you can export the video.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you might enjoy this video which will come up here on the screen, where we have used certain other cool AI tools to make a short animated movie. If you don't have time right now, save this video for later, as no video is more important than your time. I will continue to try to make more such videos which will help us in our shared journey of self-improvement and how we can leverage the power of AI. Thank you and see you in the next video.